Welcome to our review of the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a masterpiece that combines vintage charm with modern sophistication. This new iteration of the classic icon redefines what it means to be a timeless car, merging nostalgic aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, the Karmann Ghia is a showstopper. Volkswagen has retained the iconic silhouette of the original model, blending it seamlessly with contemporary design elements. The rounded body lines and signature chrome accents pay homage to its heritage, while sleek LED headlights, a bold front grille, and aerodynamic contours bring it firmly into the modern era. Sitting on 20-inch alloy wheels, this car exudes a sense of class and confidence. The color options include stunning metallics like sapphire blue and deep crimson red, ensuring the car turns heads wherever it goes. Inside, the Karmann Ghia offers an experience that's as luxurious as it is innovative. The cabin is a blend of premium materials, including leather upholstery and brushed aluminum trim. The retro-inspired dashboard is complemented by a 12-inch digital cockpit and a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system with advanced connectivity options. Ambient lighting enhances the mood, while ergonomic seats provide exceptional comfort for both driver and passengers. Practicality hasn't been ignored, with ample cargo space in both the front and rear, thanks to its electric platform. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is powered by an all-electric drivetrain, delivering 320 horsepower and a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge. Acceleration is smooth and exhilarating, with the car reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. The ride quality is refined, offering a perfect balance between sporty handling and everyday comfort. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, ensure a safe and stress-free driving experience. Finally, let's address pricing. The base model starts at approximately $45,000, while the fully loaded version with all the premium features comes in at around $55,000. Considering the blend of style, technology, and performance, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia offers exceptional value for a modern classic. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what you think about the 2025 Karmann Ghia. See you next time.